Have you ever heard of a man making $1 billion in a single day? Yes, you heard that right. George Soros, the man who shook the world of finance with one bold move. This story isn't just about money. It's about strategy, courage, and challenging entire financial systems. Get ready. We're going back to 1992, to the day one man brought the Bank of England to its knees. George Soros is a Hungarian-born Jewish-American investor, hedge fund manager, and philanthropist. He survived the horrors of World War II, fled Nazi persecution, and later moved to London, where he studied at the London School of Economics. Influenced by philosopher Karl Popper, Soros developed a deep understanding of how irrational markets can behave. In 1970, he founded the Quantum Fund, which quickly became one of the most successful hedge funds in history. But the event that made him a legend came in 1992, a day known forever as Black Wednesday. In the early 1990s, European countries formed an exchange rate system called the ERM, the exchange rate mechanism. Its goal was to stabilize European currencies and prepare for a single currency, the euro. To join, the UK agreed to peg the British pound to the German Deutsche Mark within a fixed range. But here's the problem. The UK economy was in bad shape: high inflation, weak growth, and political instability. The pound was overvalued, and Soros saw a massive opportunity. Soros believed the Bank of England couldn't maintain its currency peg. The logic was clear. If the UK raised interest rates to defend the pound, it would hurt the already struggling economy. But if it didn't raise rates, the market would pressure the pound to crash. So Soros made a historic move. Through his Quantum Fund, he borrowed $10 billion worth of British pounds and immediately sold them. He was betting that the pound would lose value, and when it did, he could buy it back at a much lower price, return the borrowed currency, and pocket the difference. September 16, 1992, Black Wednesday. On that day, the Bank of England went into full panic mode. They spent billions of dollars in reserves to support the pound. They raised interest rates from 10% to 12%, then to 15%. But it wasn't enough. The market was against them, and Soros was leading the charge. Investors followed his move. Everyone was selling the pound. Finally, the UK government gave in. They pulled the pound out of the ERM, and the currency plunged by over 15%. Soros? He made $1 billion in profit in just a few hours. This event became one of the most famous moments in financial history. Soros proved that even a single investor could take down a central bank. The UK's monetary policy changed forever, and the ERM system suffered a major blow. Soros earned the nickname, the man who broke the Bank of England. But this wasn't luck. It was the result of years of research, bold decision-making, and an understanding of market psychology few others had. So what can we learn from this? Markets may be irrational, but they follow patterns. Big rewards come from big risks if they're calculated. The herd isn't always right. The greatest gains go to those who see the cracks before anyone else. And most importantly, no system is truly unbreakable. Soros didn't just make money. He exposed how fragile global financial systems could be. So what do you think? Was Soros a genius, or did he cross an ethical line? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more financial deep dives. See you in the next video.